Fox sells their 2.5-inch body coilovers and shocks in a lot of different flavors, and well, the Performance Elite series happens to be the most popular, and today we got 60 seconds to tell you why. I'm Sean Bowman, this is the Shock Surplus Shop, so let's talk some shocks. Every single Performance Elite coilover and shock is made with an aluminum body, has external reservoirs, some are remote like these, some are piggyback, and they all have Fox's famous DSC or dual speed compression adjusters. Many of their recent releases are now featuring their DSC Evo adjusters, which are prone to a lot less crosstalk, which means much more finite and independent adjustment between ride and handling, as well as are going to be a lot less prone to freezing up like these old ones were. All of these coilovers and shocks are also all smooth bodies. They don't have any additional position sensitive or electronic control technology, and for the most part feature linear valving. Coilover options are available in standard travel for vehicles with stock control arms and extended travel for vehicles with aftermarket upper control arms already installed or getting installed with the coilovers. Rear shocks are also available in multiple lengths on a lot of applications to suit your already existing lifts. So far, this Performance Elite series might sound a lot like the Factory Race series outside of that aluminum body, but believe it or not, there's a lot of distinct differences here. When Fox named the Factory Race series the Factory Race series, they daggone meant it, brother. They expected you to absolutely be ripping every time you turn the key on, which made for a pretty stiff ride, especially for the people who were upgrading from the 2.0s, which are usually known for being real squishy. What makes these PEs so much more popular, something we recommend much more often than a lot of the FR series when there is an option and those FRs aren't an internal bypass, is that these Performance Elite coilovers and shocks are tuned much more in line with what we think the average buyer would be interested in. By comparison, these are tuned a heck of a lot softer than the Factory Race series, making them feel a lot better for your average trail runner, daily driver, overlander, and they still got the support to keep you going when you want to hit the skinny pedal through the rough stuff. Just like the Factory Race series lets you know exactly what they're intended for in the name, the Performance Elite series really offers elite level performance for those of you who drive hard, particularly off-road, but still want a little bit more comfort than your average race-oriented shock offers. They're slightly firmer and more composed than something like a King 2.5, offering that little bit of extra communication and a little bit more insight about the important information about what the vehicle is doing underneath you, while still having a lot better small bump compliance than a lot of lower to mid-level Bilsteins and a lot of the Icon kits available for older applications. So although far from the softest shock on the block, these are still a strong option for discerning drivers looking for something that gives you a lot of information, gives you a lot of support and a lot of control without sacrificing too much comfort on the street. But we'll leave it up to you guys. What 2.5 Fox, King, or Icon do you have your eyes on? And if you're interested in these Fox 2.5 Performance Elite series or anything else, make sure to slide on over to shocksurplus.com, and we'd love to get you dialed in. And before you go there, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon so you're notified of all the fun stuff we get into. And, well, we've done reviews on these PES shocks, Factory Race series shocks, and pretty much everything else we've talked about here. So that's a good time to slide on over to our channel and check those out. But in the meantime, we'll see you out on the trails.